Fix day. I actually have 2 Stitch Fix boxes to do today, but we're gonna do 2 separate filmings. I got my box here and Watson's here with me, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. So here's my bundle. Let's see. Looks like there's a lot of good colors in there. I did look at this one, but I only looked at it once, and I don't actually really recall what's in this one. So let's see what we got. Okay. So the first thing, okay, looks to be a pair of olive colored cargo pants. So, and they are Lila Ryan, the Ida cargo skinny pant. So I'll give these a shot. I haven't worn cargo pants in a long time. It reminds me of high school actually, but I will give these a shot. I know everything is coming back around, so I'm gonna try those ones. Next item, okay, I just have to say, when I do remember when I peeked at this one, I am the most skeptical about this item just because I am not a geometric pattern person, but I'm going to give it a shot. Okay, so these are these leggings, which I do want leggings, and I'm actually coming into the time of year where I'm going to want them more frequently, but I have never had a pair that has had a pattern, and I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but gosh, it looks orange on camera. But this is red, like it's actually almost as red as my pants, but I don't know why the color doesn't look correct. Anyway, so geometric pattern with red. I don't know, we will see. Give it a shot every time. Sometimes those things are the things you love the most. All right, what do we have here? Oh, okay. Oh, it's a dress. Okay, so I did see this. I wasn't actually sure when I saw this online if it was a long shirt or a dress, but this is a dress, and it is by Nine Britain, Ranade knit dress, and it's just kind of like a t-shirt dress. Looks like it might be a little short. Sorry, you can't see very well. Okay, you will see during the try-on. So again, it looks just like a comfy t-shirt dress with a cutout neck, straight in the back. Okay, so this shirt is a cold shoulder top in this kind of blue pattern. I don't know if you can see this pattern very clearly, but this is the pattern. It's got this lace sticking up the bottom. I am not certain of this one because I don't wear as much blue, but I'll give this one a shot as well. Okay, and the last item, okay, this is like an athleisure type top by Nicole Miller embossing, which I guess will go with my other geometric pants. I will be so geometric. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna go try those on, and we'll see you soon. Hopefully I can get Watson to wake up and participate. Okay, so here are the olive colored cargo pants, and I actually really like them, which I wasn't quite sure, but I like this color, and obviously you've seen me wear this color before, but I don't have it in cargo, so I like these. I will say these are Lila Ryan, and I don't know how much they stretch out over time. They're pretty tight. I mean, they're not too tight. I think they'll fit me, but they're one of my tighter pair of jeans right now, and so maybe that's a good thing. Maybe they won't stretch out as much as normal. So if you can kind of see, they got the zippers up here, and then there's a zipper at the ankle, which I will just leave as it is. And so yeah, I think these are something that I'll probably keep. Okay, so these are okay, these are the pants and the shirt. So I will talk about the pants. Like I said, I would never in 1,000,000 years have even tried these pants on. Honestly, it's totally, sorry Watsy, he is so tired right now. Watson, what do you think about these pants? Are you too tired? Yeah, so he's too tired to even say anything, but I I have mixed feelings about them right now. They're really comfortable. They're super comfortable, much more than I thought they would be. They're kind of high-waisted, and the back is plain, which I like. I like that it's not like this pattern the whole way around. And even with the, what I thought was kind of an obnoxious red color, a little bit of a reddish orange, I think I like them. I actually think I like them. So, yeah, I know I will use these. I do wear leggings, and I once in a while do athletic things. Okay, so then this top. So you can see this top. It's got like this kind of pattern on it. It's pretty loose actually, and this is an extra small, but I like that for comfort. Like, you know, so if I'm just gonna go for a walk, I can just throw this on, or just wear it around the house, and I think I like it too. Just a little big, that's all. But I think I'll be okay with it. So once again, I will say that for me, Stitch Fix has been a great way to get me to try things on that I never would have otherwise. And so first of all, maybe to explain that a little bit further, for those of you who are not aware, I am a stylist for Stitch Fix, and I have been doing this. I did this last time, and I'm doing it this time. I will not be able to continue to afford to do this going forward, but I have styled the box myself for me, and then I have another box styled by someone else for me. And it's really interesting to see. So this box was styled by someone else, and that is why I was surprised by some of the things that were in it, and I think I'm going to keep them. So I have, I think, one more thing to try on. Maybe two. See, so. Okay, so this is Lottie. Are you alive? Are you okay? He's so tired. Okay, this is the t-shirt dress, or I don't know exactly what material, but it's like a t-shirt dress. Again, it has this kind of cool like neckline thing, and it's just like this in the back. And what's really neat, is that I'm wearing a regular bra, and you can't see it at all. I don't believe anyway. In the back or in the front. So now I will say that this shape of a dress is not usually my favorite, because as you can see, it doesn't really do me any favors. It just is kind of a shift loose thing, but because this is such a comfortable dress, I think I'll totally wear it. Pretty sure I'll wear it. Okay, so give me your opinion though, because just be honest, and it's okay to say that it makes me look a few months pregnant, that's fine, because I know that this shape of dress isn't always the most flattering for me. But anyway, what do you guys think? Give me your opinion. Watson and I are going to have to talk more about this later. Okay, so this is that cold shoulder shirt, and anyway, as you can see I have a black bra on, so I was too lazy to change that. But if you had a thin strapped bra in the right color, I think you could actually hide the straps if you wanted to, or obviously do a strapless, or I don't think I would do a bralette with this one. So anyway, the pattern on this is funny. It's really different in real life than it looks in the picture. So it's kind of like, I would say like a navy blue in this color, and then more of a cobalt blue. So that's kind of, and then it's white underneath with the lace. It's actually kind of tight. Like, I was pretty surprised. This shirt, it looks flowy, and you can see it is a little bit flowy from the side. These shirts always tend to look kind of like that, but and the folds are kind of, I think it needs to kind of get unwrinkled. But anyway, what do you guys think of this top? I like it. I'm not 100% sure that it's the best color on me, so let me know about that, and then just let me know what you think of how I'm going to look at the style card, because actually I haven't done that yet. I think I've had the same stylist for a few of these fixes, so let me just check and see if it was the same. Yep, it is the same girl. Her name's Maya. And obviously you guys have seen the style cards where, you know, there's options for different outfits you can wear with the pieces that were included. I will read her note in a little bit, but let me just look for the price sheet here so we can talk through prices on this. And I will just quickly go through. So these Nicole Miller Racine Performance Embossed pants, these are $34. So with the good quality and my strange okayness with the geometric pattern here, I'm going to keep these, I think, but I would love your feedback. What did you think? Maybe they looked crazy on me. Okay, and then the next one is the Color Block, excuse me, performance top. That's the dress, sorry. And it is not even... Okay, anyway, this is the top, and this top is, holy Hannah, $72? Is that correct? Wait a second. I think I got this backwards. I think this is, yeah, this is the Nicole Miller. This is $34. These are $72. Okay. I'm not sure. We might need to redo this. But anyway, that's those two items. And then the last thing that I don't, okay, this top that I have on is $54. It's good quality. It actually is pretty good material and it's unique enough. That's a little spendy. And then the Ranade, or the black t-shirt dress with kind of the cool neck thing, that is $38. So pretty cute for that. But let me know your opinion on the shape of that dress. And last but not least, the Lila Ryan pants. When I saw them, I knew they would be at the top of my price range usually for pants, $98. So that is the total cost of everything. And of course, if you get the 25% discount, that would come out to $222 to buy everything. So I'd love your feedback on everything. And again, I am so sorry that Watson has no participation. I'm hoping that he's just really tired, and I think he is, because it's been kind of a long day. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I would love, oh, forgot about my glasses. I would love for you guys to subscribe. And again, I do this just to kind of show you the clothing items. And also, I think this one's kind of interesting where I'm doing that comparison. Like I said, this will probably be the last month I can do that, or the last 2 to 3 weeks, which is what my cycles have kind of changed to lately. Stitch Fix. Remember that. Sad addiction. Not a bad addiction, really. There could be worse addictions, I think. So I think that's it, and I will talk to you guys again soon, because I will be doing the try-on for the other box, which I styled for myself. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. And again, if you have any questions, the referral link is below. So if you want to try the service for free, you don't need to pay the styling fee. You can go ahead and do that. All right, talk to you guys soon. Thanks. Bye. Oh, you're not starting yet. Okay, Watson, we're going to start our video.